In recognition of his exemplary contribution to the industry and society at large, the Board for IT Education Standards, BITES, as an expression of high esteem, humbly present Dr. Sridhar Mitta the BITES Lifetime Achievement Award 2020 on this day, 21st November 2020, Saturday, at the BITES Annual Convention 2020, organized in association with Dayanand Sagar University and IIIT Dharwad.
Good afternoon, Professor Prabhu, Professor Murthy, Professor Kincha, Professor Kavi Mahesh, Mr. Vidyashankar, Dr. Sujata, and friends. It gives me a great pleasure to participate in today's BITES annual convention, in which the valedictory function is a part of it. I was pleasantly surprised when Professor Kincha called me and informed that I have been chosen as one of the 2 recipients of BITES Lifetime Achievement Award 2020. It is indeed a recognition of my nearly 50 years of professional career and my association with the IT industry. I would like to thank the nominations committee, governing board of BITES for considering me for this award. Let me share my professional journey and what I am doing at Next12 now. I was fortunate to be partnered or people with whom I worked at Wipro, Maithili Ramesh, Anand Talwai, and S.R. Gopalan. The objective was to do something socially relevant, so which means either it should be in education or healthcare or green energy and these kind of things. So looking at what those problems are and looking at what our capabilities, so we decided quickly to set up a company whose purpose is to provide employment to graduates in small towns without the need for migrating them to cities. So once we set up this organization, Next12 Entrepreneurs Private Limited, so then we thought about what is the business model. So we want to do things differently. What Next12 wanted to do is an internet model of having large number of small centers now, because that was the first decision taken. Then second thing was we partnered with entrepreneurs who are qualified, experienced, and has emotional connect to this place. So that is the second deviation we have made from the current model. The kind of services Next12 provides is related to data enablement services or data enrichment services, which is necessitated by the global acceptance of artificial intelligence and machine learning. These 2 technologies, which is taking over most of the functions in the world today, has to deal with a lot of data. And this data has to be clean, correct, and has to be interpreted in a correct way. So the companies which are into AI/ML need 2 types of people. One is data scientists and statistics majors and PhDs there. And second one is a set of people who can process this data and give the output to these expensive resources. Today, Next12 has 6 centers in 4 different states, which includes Salem and Vellore from Tamil Nadu, Mysore and Hubli in Karnataka, Chittoor in Andhra Pradesh, and Bhilai in Chhattisgarh. We have provided employment to nearly 2,600 people today, as on today, and nearly 60% of them are girls, and our target is to increase to 70%. Now, any talk today has to do with, we have to talk about the impact of COVID, or post-COVID world. So what is the post-COVID is interesting. One is either work from home or work from anywhere. So the companies who are in cities are trying to reconfigure them and rechange on what to do, how to do these things. The second impact is the work has to go to where talent is, rather than talent coming to place where the work is being done. Looking back, we thought about such things much earlier, 78 years ago, because the model of Next Wealth is that we take the work to places where the graduates are there, that are small towns or from work from home. So we don't have to reconfigure ourselves. So we are Next Wealth, instead of being treated as some new model, is going to become a main model or a new norm in the coming years. And Next Wealth measures its success by the number of people it employs, not by the profit it makes. But at the same time, Next Wealth is scaling, is profitable, and creating the social impact. So I would like to conclude by saying that it is possible that to do well and do good can be accomplished at scale, and Next Wealth is one example. Thank you, sir.